Row, 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 row. Hello friends, I am Doggo and welcome to another episode of Puppet Making and Puppetry under What's Your Hobby? Row, row, row.
Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today I am back with my friend Doggo. So Doggo, how are you doing?
I am doing quite fine, Ronak. How are you?
I am fine as well. So Doggo, what are you going to learn today?
Oh, Ronak, you cannot forget like this every time. Today we are going to learn how to make hand puppets using paper bags.
Oh yeah, I just forgot. Yes friends, today we are going to learn how to make hand puppets using paper bags. So without wasting much time, let's move on to the making process. In order to make Pooh the bear puppet, let us look into the materials which we will be needing. First of all, we need yellow A4 size sheets. After that, we require red A4 size sheet. Since I don't have red sheets, I have taken red felt cloth. Then comes the sketch pens. After that, the basics we need are glue and a sharp pair of scissors. So let's head on to make Pooh the bear. To start with, we need to make the paper bags. To make the paper bags of a particular color, you will need this yellow A4 size sheet. Okay, so first you have to fold the A4 size sheet like this. After that, we need to make a fold here to seal off this side. Then with the glue we have to attach this. Let this dry for a couple of minutes. This has dried up quite nicely. After this, we need to make two folds here. So after this is made, open this up and open it from here. So your paper will look like this now. Now we have to make some crease here. So for that, we have to fold the paper like this. Similarly, I have made the fold for the other side as well. Now it's time to fold and seal the bottom portion. Let this dry for some minutes. As we can see now, this is dried up completely. Now we'll make a fold here like this. So you can see the fold has been made here. Okay, now our paper bag is complete. See, in this video, besides making the puppet, we also learned how to make a paper bag from an A4 sheet of paper. The step which will follow this is that we have to fold this to this side. Okay, so this is the basic structure of the puppet. Now if you insert your hand like this, so this will form the face and this will form the mouth and the body. Let us make Pooh's face now. So here is Pooh's face. I'll meet you after cutting this. Now it's time for the eyes, the nose and the mouth. I'll use my sketch pen to draw all these. Now we will attach our Pooh to the basic structure. So the upper jaw, as you see, is complete. Now it's time for the lower jaw, where there will be the tongue. Now the tongue is ready. I'll catch up with you after I cut this tongue out. Let's take this tongue to our Pooh. Now I'll use the red felt cloth for Pooh's shirt. You can use red A4 size sheet as well. We'll cut out the shirt according to this shape. So this is the cutout portion of the shirt. After this is attached, now we'll cut out the excess parts. So after trimming all these, let me meet you. So this completes the hand puppet version of Pooh the bear. Along with learning how to make hand puppet, we also learned how to make paper bag from scratch. Isn't that fun? I'm sure you're also going to make such amazing characters by learning from today's session. And since you have learned the general structure of this type of paper puppets, you can add many more colors and many more characters to it. Okay, I'm waiting to see your collection. Pooh the bear who loves honey, we complete the second level of our course. We'll start level 3 from the next session, which will comprise of the stick puppets. I can definitely say that you're already excited from now only. If you learned something from today's video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest notifications and updates. And if you haven't bought the craft kit yet, log into the Sparklebox website and buy yours following the link in the description box below. Stay happy, stay safe, bye bye.